Hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Carl Christian D. Arabes. I'm a grade 12 student of the Logo National High School, and my biggest dream is to graduate, and I'm working hard to make that happen. And I'm in my final year of high school. I'm so excited to graduate, and my big dream is to become a police officer to protect our country and upholding the law. I'm already exploring opportunities to learn more about law and and enforcement and gain experience. I believe that police officers play a crucial role in keeping our society safe and ensuring justice for all. And my habit is playing basketball and online games is a hard part of my life. And I'm learning to manage my time effectively to balance my studies and my passion for the sports. I play basketball because this is enjoy, and I'm aware that physical playing basketball because that is not good for our body. That is dangerous, and if you play basketball, just play safe. And I am a friendly person. So that's all guys. Thank you. Bye.